This is our PN junction diode characteristic trainer kit. I'll first explain you the basic item which are in this trainer kit. We have a 3 volt DC supply and a 30 volt DC supply. We have the diode in forward and reverse bias. We have our on off switch. We have our meters. The selection range is for a forward bias we will be using 3 volt, and for reverse bias we will be using 30 volt DC. And to get the reverse bias current we need a 100 microampere meter. So we have a selection meter for 100 microampere and 10 milliampere. The ranges can be seen here itself. The connections are very simple. You connect the DC supply to the meter. Then first we will be conducting the experiment for forward bias. Now make sure both these potentiometers are completely anti-clockwise. Then turn on the kit. After turning on the kit, keep this to 3 volt DC and slowly move the supply. You see, as we are reaching 0.75, this will go in out of range. So for forward bias we will be using in 10 milliampere. As you can see, as soon as we reach the cutoff, the current starts to flow. It can be properly seen in the 100 microampere range. As soon as we are reaching near to 0.75, the current starts to flow full. Now for reverse bias we will connect the same to, and now we will go to 30. Now we will move the 30 volt DC. Every connection is internally connected, but as soon as we cross, you see 25, we are near 25, current starts flowing in reverse bias direction also.